So I just took my sandals off. Yeah, I just went to brush my teeth already because it's right now. It's 10:23 p.m. I don't know why they're doing this video, but it's a quick video. So yeah, you're gonna be seeing my art supplies, and I'm gonna be playing with slime randomly. I love this slime. Yo no tengo nada personal en contra de los mexicanos, no. Igual lo hubiera tenido el problema con cualquier otro cliente, no. Pero decime una cosa, las ganancias que esos mexicanos están teniendo con el cultivo de la amapola, ellos están compartiendo algo, no para ellos, nosotros chupamos Guadalupe. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you my art supplies thingy. I don't know why this slime is here too. Never mind. I took the slime out and I put it here. This is my art things. Art, and this is my art folder when I have all my things. So I have this 120 crayon colors, and just open it from here, latch, and here. So I have a bunch of colors. Oh no, I fixed it out. So if you're wondering what just popped out of my thing, it is this way. It is a grand sharpener. It's a crayon sharpener that you sharpen up here. It comes with this green color only. I have a little sharpener for a pencil because I have a pencil inside here. It's like a sketch pencil. It's golden. And I have these colors. If you buy this and your color, when you buy them, they're all mixed up. And you're thinking, why did she get it like that? Because I took all the crayons out and I put them in order, like with red and all that, like that. Let's just show you it. This is orange color. This is like a brown color. So yeah, let me just take out the other ones. I don't want them to be on it. Like pink color shaders. We have like a blue one, purple, like a greenish, and then on the bottom we have my favorite one, like these black shades that have some green on the back here. I have silver here. I don't know how you call that, but it's called like this way. I'll just show it to you. It's like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like that. Just up the camera. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't care no more. It's like a golden color. I have copper here, and I have golden. So if you buy this, you might have this. Yeah. And then in the middle, it has this thing that the crayon thingy it has here. Has it here, and then you put the pencil there. The pencil and the sharpener do not come with it. I just put it there. Just take this out. Have some pair of scissors with stickers. This is supposed to be for school, but I use them for here. My tablet. If you wondering why my tablet's here, because I copy some of my drawings on YouTube and all that. Subscribe to Draw So Cute. Like she puts it step by step. I'm not freaking lying, and I'll show you my art things here. If you're wondering why I have toothpaste in today, if you make a mistake, you can just put a little bit of toothpaste and put it right here. Or if I get marker on my hand, if I have marker here, I'm gonna buy markers. And you get marker, you put some toothpaste on your hand, and then you like start rubbing it, and then you get this thing like that. So yeah. And if you make a mistake, you can just rub it on there and then let it dry, and then it's like a white out. I don't know why I have money here, but that's what's supposed to be here. Have some paper into here. I'm gonna buy more. I'm gonna buy a sketchbook. Line paper, some of them, like 10 of them. Now let's show you my art folder. It's just regular thing. This is maybe like a rose gold or gold. So these are the ones that I drew by myself. I did not draw this. I just tried to color. These are all the colors inside this pack right here, inside the grand pack. I did all this for some reason, and that's how I sorted my things out of my crayons. So yeah, these are all the crayons. It's a 120, and that does not look like 120. I did this during science class. I was bored, so I did this. This is the sun. This is a little thingy, and then our Earth. So yeah, have some braids. A braid here, a braid, and some braids here too. These are, by the way, these are the ones that I made by myself. I did not copy them from YouTube. Popsicle. I was bored this time, so, and I was bored too. Pencil, and it's like spreading out the thing in the. I hit the bottom. I'll come right back to put all these papers inside. Okay, so these are the papers that I copied. So sorry, that's my mommy's. So these are the papers that I did all by myself. No, I copied them from YouTube. So yeah, let's go to the first one. You might laugh for this one. Poop face. Poopy face. I hate that part right here. It's like all ugly. A phone. By the way, I copied this from Draw So Cute. I copied this from another channel, Draw So Cute. I love you. Like, she draws everything. She's a girl, by the way. I don't like her. I love her videos. Then I copied this from her too. Mostly everything from here, I copied it from her. A unicorn that I copied from my, not copied, but I drew. Too. It's so pretty. I did good on it. And I tried to do the 3D heart that she did, but mine's kind of ugly. This is the first drawing that I ever made and I started doing my art thingy. Watermelon. I copied this from her also. Copied, but I did this from her too. She just recently made this video of a little girl thing, Snapchat, and a 3D triangle. Don't worry about the bottom thing, I just tried to shade it in and all that. 3D triangle. So yeah, that's mostly on my art kit thing. So yeah, I have a bunch of things here. I'm gonna start buying. I'm also gonna buy a glue gun and some glue stick thingy. Also, I might buy it. And stay tuned because I might get the Wava Juice art thingy. Make it. I don't know. Yeah, but. So my thing doesn't fit here for some reason. It's like a box I just got from Gatorade. Okay, let's get my paper. I do not have no things, but I found a highlighter and a Sharpie. And I found a pencil that doesn't work. Please have lead. So how I organize it is mostly like this. I almost paused. I'm gonna stop this video. I want to make a part 2 and be like, no. Can't you see? You can see the box still. This is the paper for a box. The paper box. Oh. So here, right here. Wait, I'll just put it here. Then the edge on the papers, I put the crayon box like this. and then I start putting my things in like on the edge next to the crayon box. I'll just show you after. On right here, on the bottom of the crayons right here, there's a space there, and I start putting the toothpaste. Now I put the highlighter there. My tablet goes right on this space right here. Like that. So comment down below if you have a tablet or something, or a art kit and all that. So if you're wondering if this tablet is ugly and not all broken, this is my first ever tablet that I had, so I still have it. This still works. So you can see, right? For some reason, it's not turning on because maybe that one does not have charge. Just try to turn it on. Turn on. It needs charge, I bet, because I didn't charge it in a long time. It needs charge, so let's just leave that. If you're wondering where it's broken right there. Ooh, it's broken right there. You can see there. I don't know if you can see that, but now you can see it. And it's broken down here, broken down there. Whoops! You saw that explosion. Oh shoot, my thing doesn't. So my old picture is this. That's me and another girl. It has 0%. How am I supposed to go to Musical.ly? Oh my god, it has 0%. It's about to turn off. You wanna see it? Yeah. Okay, let's go to my. And it turned off. Okay, let's just leave that there. I don't know why, and I took this out. I have some shaving cream today. I don't know why. But let's just wash our hands with it. Just slime. I love this slime, so like it's so nice. Like I love touching it. So yeah, bye guys. See you tomorrow, baby. So yeah. Like and subscribe for more videos. My Musical.ly will be down below. If you my Musical.ly will be down below also. So if you go to Denelli, MJ, Cookie, you know that. I have a private account, so if you follow me, I will follow you. So I'll look at your Musical.lys in your follow request things, and you can just put follow me, Denelli Mendez, whatever, and then I'll follow you, and you say something and all of that. So yeah, bye guys. Like and subscribe this video for more videos.